Midweek rush. What could go wrong? The clock reads 5:30, works in full throng. But then blackout, a fall from the skies. Power is fine, yet my supercomputer dies. Hey, it's not so scary, this happens a lot. I spare computers more than one I've got. But today of all days, I need those files, those special accesses locked in digital aisles. It is offline, no help, no grace. I'm staring despair in my own pale face. What's wrong, what's broken, no power flows. I don't understand these black chords and rows. A tangled mess, mysterious, dark. How do they bring machines to spark? I cannot afford to miss my deadline. I have to act fast, it's not yet time. Plan maintenance, sure, I've bet done. Maintenance, sure, I've bet time. Plan maintenance, sure, I thought it through. But now my hardware decided it too. An irrational love for Dell XPS, a desktop form factor, I must confess. But that same machine I adored and prized, today it's hated, despised, despised. Though our spares in hand, its brilliant design just couldn't withstand the extreme demands of my home office lair. Genius for beauty, but not for despair. Blackout, a fall from the skies, but wait, I'm a screwdriver and I challenge fate. In New York City, beneath the bridge tonight, I'll find what I need in shadow and light. And if not under bridges, I'll buy it there still. You can find what you will. I need the simplest case, cheap, strong, and fast, to swap out my parts and make the pain pass. I need a new PSU to get through this fight. I'll fix the old one, but not tonight.
The breakdown! Middle of the week, wires fell asleep. Dead silence hum where code used to speak. Deadline loomed like a northern light, but my screen stayed dark through the edge of night. The heart of the beast, no pulse, no spark. My files trapped deep in a silent arc. No time to mourn, no space for doubt. I mapped a fix and I carried it out. Form follows function, my new case, a box without charm. No polished chrome, no aesthetic harm. But I don't raise shadows in midnight zones. This rig is built to carry stones. Let the outside stay plain and dry. It's the engine within that lets me fly. Wall, but each screw fought back, no grace at all. No swift exchange, no modern snap. Had to strip it bare like a blueprint map. So I lifted the soul to a humble frame. No RGB blaze, no designer name, but every piece found its rightful place. Wired with care, aligned with grace. Form follows function, my new case, a box without charm. No polished chrome, no aesthetic harm. But I don't raise shadows in midnight zones. This rig craftsman from builds gone past, fitted so tight like stained glass cast. A maze of cables, a subtle art, but this time speed had to trump the smart. Still no shortcuts, no hollow tricks, just solid work with pragmatic picks. She boots up clean, no flair, no fight. A humble machine, tuned just right. Form follows function, my new case, a box without charm. No polished chrome, no aesthetic harm, but I don't raise shadows in midnight zones. This rig is built to carry stones. Let the outside stay plain and dry. It's the engine within that lets me fly. The revival, a revival. I brought it back to breathe. Revived a spark from the edge of death. Each fan spins like a turbine hum. A phoenix rising from circuit crumb. Now it's free. No wires to bind. No twisted pair to hold it behind. Wi-Fi wings where the cables rule. The lab is cleaner. The air feels cooled. Too bad it won't fit the IKEA box. The frame's too bold for those tidy locks. But spare parts glare from the evening shelf. I might just craft something else myself. Whoa! The night turned into a service zone. Each screw a step towards standing alone. Sleep postponed, the task won't wait. There's no life left past the deadline's gate.